I right now am at Don Mueang Airport, and in today's video we're going to be going to the island of Koh Samui, but rather than flying there directly, which is going to cost us 6,000 Thai baht or 166 US dollars, just to put into perspective, flying internationally from Manila to Bangkok or Bangkok to any other Asian country is actually cheaper than flying directly to Koh Samui. I'm going to show you a much more affordable route, somewhere in the region of about 5 to 6 times less than if you were to fly directly to Koh Samui. Okay, now that I've made it through security and baggage control, let me tell you about this more affordable route. First of all, we're going to have to fly to Surat, Thani, which only cost me 30 USD. And then once we arrive there, we're going to have to take a little shuttle to the port and then catch a ferry to Koh Samui. Hence, the total travel time is going to be around about 4 to 5 hours. And I'm flying with Thailand Air today, departing from gate 36. So let's go over there now. Now you might be wondering to yourself, why is it so expensive to fly directly to Koh Samui? And that's because there is only one airline carrier that provides the service, and that is Bangkok Airways. They've got a complete monopoly over this route. Now, if there was other airlines competing on this route, the prices would be a lot less. And I'm going to be timing this route because I'm curious to know myself exactly how long the total journey time will be. And I'm going to be timing it from the moment we depart, which is expected to be at 2:25, to the moment we land on the island of Koh Samui. Hello, Saudi family. Okay, it looks like we're going to be departing on time at 2:35, so we can start our timer as soon as this plane takes off. Okay, the time is 3:34. That took just a little over than an hour. And it's just begun raining here in Surat. Great. Thank you. Thank you. Whoa, look how wet it is outside here in Surat. The whole track is completely drenched. Alright, we only have carry-on luggage, so we don't need to claim any checked-in baggage, and we need to head straight out the airport and try and find ourselves a shuttle headed for... Which way? Oh, it says bus and ferry ticket, yeah. I want to go to Samui. Bye, man. 510 baht, okay. So, can I ask, ma'am, does this include the shuttle and the boat ticket for 510? Oh, okay, that's good. Here we are, we're at the Sea-Tran ferry desk. And just behind us, there's a number of car rental companies here, like Six, Hertz, etc., where you can rent a car for about 1,000 baht a day for a small little sedan. But I've got a better option that I'm going to tell you about a little later on in today's video, or maybe in the next video. Don Sak Pier, the UK. Okay, so the ticket costs 510 baht. That's inclusive of the shuttle and the ferry to Koh Samui. And ma'am has just gone over there to get my ticket. She'll be back in 5 minutes because the shuttle is actually going to be departing in a couple minutes time. The departure time is 4 p.m. Now, it would be a very wise decision to try and find myself something to eat here because I don't think there is anything at the pier, and there definitely won't. Well, they do have like a little store on the boat, but there's not a whole lot of options. And you know what? There isn't a whole lot of options here at Surat Thani either, to be honest. So there is an ATM where I am going to have to withdraw some money. Is this working? Yes, please insert your card. Right, so I'm going to rent a car in Koh Samui, much cheaper than here, but I'm going to have to withdraw some cash. Well, I was just able to withdraw 20,000 baht in one transaction, which I'm pretty surprised about. It's about 36,000 pesos. It's over almost $500 that I was able to withdraw from the ATM from my card. Pretty good, I would say. Oh, bus and ferry ticket, yeah?
Yes, and ferry ticket.
Okay, all right, sounds good.
Just 1 minute, where the passenger finish here.
Okay, just let me know, thank you. Now, for a first timer, all these vendors that provide a ticket for the shuttle and the ferry, you may be thinking, oh, is there like a price difference? Does one vendor charge more than the other? And it's actually all pretty much the same. The difference is if you book directly with Seatran, you use the Seatran shuttle and Seatran ferry, but if you book with another provider, you use a different shuttle service, but you still use the Seatran ferry to get to Koh Samui. So the price is the same, the shuttle is a little bit different, but really, you ain't got to worry. And I myself booked with Fantip, which I think is our company for the shuttle, and I'll be taking the ferry from Seatran to Samui. So the itinerary will be Surat Thani Airport to Donsak Pier on the mainland, and then we will be arriving in Koh Samui at Naton Pier, number 1. Oh, and this looks like it's a proper bus. Thank you, Cup. And we're on the shuttle. It's not even a shuttle, it's a bus, a coach. Nice and comfy. The last time I did this, which was maybe a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, they put us in this like 12-seater minibus, which wasn't the comfiest, it was quite crammed, but that thing did rip, and the driver did get us from point A to point B in a matter of no time. I do much prefer the spacious, kind of laid-back feel of the coach. Whoa, and we've already departed. That was quick. There's ma'am, say bye-bye to ma'am. This bus isn't even half full, look at it. That's great. And there we have it, folks. We've arrived to Donsak Pier. We now just need to get ourselves a passenger ticket, which I already have actually, and board this ferry to Koh Samui. Woohoo! We got free ATMs out here. There's some nice peaceful music playing. And this is the terminal. Now, I bought some snacks from the store here, but there's also a Thai restaurant where you can get some krapao, some boat noodles. Oh, die.
Sorry.
It's okay. Oh, that one. Thank you. Alright, we've just boarded the ship. Sweet, thank you. Managed to find a seat right in the corner here with somewhat of a view. The time is 6 p.m. So far the journey has been somewhat a little long, but very smooth. This is the last leg of the journey, folks. made it to Samui. It's now time to stop the timer, and we've arrived on the island at 7:30 p.m. We took off at 2:35. Let's just say 2:30 for simplicity's sake. The time is now 7:30, which means the total duration or travel time has been 5 hours in total, which is not too bad, considering we saved about 1,000 baht per hour taking this alternative, more affordable route. I'm now going to pick up the card I've rented on the island, which is here. Hello, sir.
Hello.
For Mergim, yeah? I've rented a Mitsubishi Entourage, yeah, at a great price.